Good morning, everyone. And today we coming back at the farm after we was absent almost for 3 months, and we were busy doing another job. Uh, and today we come to check our rubber plantation and to see how grow it is and how big it is. And actually, our rubber trees is full of covers of bush or vegetation. So we need to cut and to clear and to clean. So as you guys can see in this video, so me and my wife and cutting grass, and we also find some bananas, and we cut some banana and bring back home. Also we enjoy with our streams full of waters because of the rains every day and very cold, nice and fresh waters. And I got really sweaty because of the sun, really hot, and having a shower, oh, it's really amazing, fresh, and feel really excited, really happy. And you guys can enjoy to be just alive as a farmer at the mountainous areas. So, and thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you guys like and click subscribe for the new video. Thank you.